Hello everyone, Neil again here from TopFX, and in this video I'm going to share some useful information regarding settings on the cTrader platform. Now, why is this useful and important? I will let you know in a few seconds. First of all, let me click on the settings, which is at the bottom left of the trading platform, as I did right now. And as you can see, a new window appeared. Now from here, you can customize the platform as well as part of your trading. Hence the reason that I'm sharing this information. Now, what do I say by customization? First of all, regardless of the first option, the properties, we have the email alerts. From here, you can custom. Every time you complete a transaction, you get an email alert. Whether that is a losing or a winning trade, you still get an email alert. You have the option to remove the email alert, as well as other options regarding emails. Another thing that is highly important or it's good enough for you to know, it's the general tab. Meaning, again, you can customize the platform anywhere from font size, layout, color, so on and so forth. Following that up, we have the asset list. Now, pay attention to this because you have the option to have your contract size either in lots or in units. Certain traders prefer trading in units, others prefer trading in lots. So in this tab, in this section, you can customize not just all the assets, individual asset classes. As you can see from Forex, I have it in lots. Some other people prefer it in units, as well as in metals, the shares, so on and so forth. The notifications and the hotkeys, again, certain traders prefer to, instead of clicking, just to click on a key. Be as it may, it is really good and important for you to know so you can set up your trading platform the way that suits best to your trading strategies. Other than that, thank you for watching this video. Have fun trading with TopFX cTrader platform. See you soon.